हेलो आज चाहिँ हामीले बेसिक इङ्ग्लिसबाट नेपाली कसरी ट्रान्सलेट गर्न सक्छौँ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ बोर्डमा गर्न गइरहेको छौँ and can we start?
Yes, let's begin, Selena. So good to be with you today and work together with our audience on how to speak English in a better way. All right, so let's start with good morning.
Okay.
All right, good morning. And you want to write this in Nepali?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Suba Bihani.
Well, I think that, yeah, you Super Bihani, and then also you want to write the Nepali good.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Suba Bihani.
Yeah.
Good morning, eh? This is Nepali
Yes,
English pronunciation.
That's right. Good morning.
And
meaning? Yeah. Suba Bihani.
Okay.
Yes, very good. And then we may ask them, how are you today? How?
Okay.
Are you today?
Okay. In
Nepali, same thing. How are you today? And then the meaning.
Okay. Today. And आजको दिन कस्तो भयो? Oh. Okay, sorry. It's Huh? तपाईँलाई आज कस्तो भयो? नेपाली बोलेर भयो फेरि सुरुबाट गर्छु म सुरुबाट गर्छु कि सरी काट्दिनु है
Very good.
Sorry.
And then you would answer if someone asked you, then they would say, then you would say fine.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Okay.
Say, fine. Thank you.
Is it good?
Good, very good. And so This is the beginning on how we can greet another in the morning
Yeah.
and what to ask them, or if they ask us, how to answer.